So Oppo started its Find X series with what we can say a wild and innovative design. But later it turns into a casual design phone. Now, as the brand is preparing to launch its Reno 16 series, but the very reliable leakster, they are also working on a device with quite a unique size compared to a regular phone, and it could be called Reno X. Luckily, he also shared a handsome number of details on it. So let's roll the intro. So as per Digital Gestation, the prototype unit of this device has a screen size of 6.39 inches with a near 2K resolution. However, the most interesting part that it will be close to a 16:10 aspect ratio screen. So this means it will be noticeably wider than the phones we usually saw. To let you have a good guess, a user shared a device design in the comments of the same leak measuring 143×91mm, to which the leakster replied that the device will look pretty much the same, which we can see is noticeably wide than the regular phones. So I think the idea here to let you have a bit of a foldable phone experience just without the crease and hinge. Next, the tipster shared the Reno X prototype unit is using a Dimensity 9 series flagship chipset. So you can guess it will be a flagship level device. And it is said to have a decent battery capacity of around 7000 mAh. Now, talking about the camera side, it is said to have a flagship level triple 50 megapixel camera setup, including a periscope telephoto. I think it's too early for core camera details. Luckily, the tipster even shared the launch time frame of the handset, and according to that, the possible Reno X could launch alongside the brand's flagship lineup, likely referring to the upcoming Find X10 series. So yeah, though it has Reno in its name, but will not launch alongside the Reno 16 series. Anyway, I will keep you updated on this interesting device, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.